Clause 19 about the existence of material uncertainty, right? You have finished the entire audit, right? For that financial year. Now you are about to write your audit report. On the date of your audit report, you see certain things like the financial ratios, customer aging, debtors aging, right? Inventory aging, all of that. You see the expected date of realization of financial assets and when the liability is payable. You have the knowledge of board of directors, you have the knowledge of management plans. Combine everything together, right? And just see, are there any material uncertainty that this entity will not be able to pay or realize their assets or pay their liabilities, or will have adverse, like, financial ratios or anything. Basically, because of these scenarios, the adverse financial ratios and aging and all, the entity will not be able to repay its amount within a period of 1 year from the date of balance sheet. That means there is a serious concern about the management going concern or the business going concern, right? It casts significant doubt on entity's ability to continue as a going concern, because 31st March has gone. You are sitting on the date of audit report and you feel that still this entity will not be able to repay its liabilities within a period of 1 year from the date of 31st March to this, this again 12 months. So basically you are already somewhere over here and you still have a doubt that entity is not able to pay its liabilities, right? That means there is something serious going on in that organization. It might not able to survive in a long run. So this is highlighting towards SA 570. Got it? The timelines, what is happening? So you finished the audit of financial year 24-25. 31st March has gone. All the liabilities and assets that you see here, all the ratios, liabilities, everything, right? That
Yes,
you
ma'am.
see on this date. You accumulate everything along with the knowledge about management and your plans and management plans. On what date? On the date of audit report. For example, you're writing on the date of 31st July 25. Now what is happening? You feel this from this day till within a period of 1 year, that is 31st March 26. Somewhere in between, this entity will not be able to pay these liabilities because the situation doesn't look good from entity's financial statement and their plans and all. That means the going concern has doubts about this of that entity, right? This is all. If yes, as an auditor, you have to report that whatever going concern issue is there,
Yes, ma'am.
right?